Hello, I'm Dr. Evelyn Tirado with Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. One of the questions I hear most often is, do I really need to have this tooth extracted? The answer is, not always. Our philosophy is to save your natural teeth whenever possible. If a tooth can be restored with a filling, crown, or root canal treatment, we will always discuss those options with you first. Preserving your natural teeth is usually the best long-term solution. However, there are situations where removing a tooth is the healthiest choice. A tooth may be too badly decayed, fractured below the gum line, severely infected, or have so much bone loss that it can no longer be saved. In those cases, an extraction helps eliminate pain and infection while protecting the surrounding teeth and bone. Many patients are nervous about having a tooth removed, but modern dental extractions are much more comfortable than most people expect. We thoroughly numb the area with local anesthetic, and throughout the procedure, our team focuses on making you as comfortable as possible. After the tooth is removed, we also think about your future smile. If you're planning to replace the tooth with a dental implant, we may recommend a bone graft to help preserve the jawbone and create a better foundation for the implant. In some cases, an implant can even be placed immediately after the extraction, depending on the condition of the bone and whether an infection is present. If you're traveling to us from the United States or Canada, we'll also help you understand what to expect after treatment. Most patients recover very well by following the aftercare instructions we provide, and we'll explain how to minimize swelling, avoid dry socket, and care for the extraction site during healing. At Dr. Mexico Dental Group, every patient receives a personalized evaluation. We don't recommend removing teeth unless it's truly the best option for your long-term oral health. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision and create a treatment plan that restores both your comfort and your smile. If you'd like to learn more about tooth extractions, dental implants, or your treatment options, we invite you to contact Dr. Mexico Dental Group. We'd be happy to answer your questions and help you smile with confidence. We look forward to meeting you in Tijuana.